15 money ideas for students. Have you ever seen real-life examples where young students started their own business and started to earn a lot of money? As a student, have you ever thought of earning a lot of money? If so, then you are at the right place because whether you are a student or a young adult, it's important to have some side hustles going on. So what can you do to earn a handsome amount of money as a student? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 15 money ideas for students. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Passive income is not like doing a regular job from morning to evening and earning a monthly salary. But initially, you are required to invest your time to earn more passive income in the long run. In simple words, as a student, be ready for one-time effort, whereas in the future, you will be earning money multiple times. So let's talk about these money ideas one by one. Number 1. Use social media to earn some pennies. Nowadays, almost all the students are there on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. There are many exciting passive income ideas for youngsters. So instead of simply wasting time on social media, start to make money on these social media sites. You can be a social media influencer and start to make passive income online as a student. First, build your subscribers. Then, build a good networking with people. That's it. Now your social media page is ready to make money through sponsorships and promotions. Number 2. Start your own blog as a student. There are many students and teenagers out there who are even making six-figure incomes through blogging and YouTube. So you should think about blogging. This idea of money-making does not require any investment, so it's a safe game. All you have to do is make some creative blogs and post online. After that, grabbing the attention of viewers is an easy play. And there you go, a nice easy way of making money and utilizing your time in something productive. Number 3. Sell your own educational course. If you are good at some subjects or some topics like English, grammar, or money management, or any other topics, then it's time to teach others and make passive income. You are a student, but you can be the teacher to many people and make money. Well, to begin with it, you can create any type of educational content, which helps others, and sell it on Udemy. Creating a course is a one-time effort, and then when people buy your course, you will get paid. Number 4. Publish your own ebook as a student. Do you know you can make passive income by publishing your ebook without spending any money? So this is a very practical and easy idea to earn passive income as a student. You don't need stress to write your ebook. Choose a topic which you really like and start to write your ebook. On a daily basis, you can write 1 or 2 pages. But if you are on a vacation, then you can easily spend time finishing your ebook and start earning some decent cash. Number 5. Click pictures through smartphone and earn money. Gen Z is lucky that we all have an internet facility to make money online. Now, just by clicking pictures through your smartphone, you can make passive income. For this, you don't need to be a professional photographer. Choose one particular topic, like cat, dog, nature, etc. Then, start to click pictures by spending a few minutes. Then, sign up and upload them on stock photo websites, without any registration fees. Then, when people buy your pictures, you will earn a commission. Number 6. Become a storyteller. Many students have some kind of hidden talent, and storytelling is one among them. If you can write stories and express them, then try podcasting and start to earn some passive income. Even you can use good infographics or presentations and just record your story in your voice and upload it on YouTube. On YouTube, kids' stories and poems get more views, so convert this large audience into passive income. You can simply earn passive income through Google AdSense on YouTube if you get more subscribers and views on your stories. Number 7. Rent out your old books to juniors. This passive income idea may look very simple, but still, you can earn passive income by renting out your books to your juniors. You will get so many juniors in your school or college, so don't miss this opportunity to earn as a student. In addition, you can even rent out things also like a bike, laptop, and make some money as a student. Number 8. Create a quiz and earn money. If you are a smart kid, then this money-making idea is just for you because you are just going to use your knowledge here to earn money. For this, you can create your own quiz website with a very minimum investment and monetize your website. There are many ways to monetize and make passive income, so if you have some technical knowledge or are aware of coding, then you can create your own mobile app where you can upload a quiz and earn. Number 9. Create designs on t-shirts online and fill your pocket with income. As a student, you are much aware of the new trends in fashion, so be more creative and make designs on t-shirts online. There are some websites where you can freely sign up. Then, you can create attractive digital art or designs on plain t-shirts and publish. If people order that t-shirt, then they will print and deliver the product. Thereby, you will earn your profits. Number 10. Sign up for the CLUELINKS affiliate program to earn passive income. Do you have any idea of making passive income through affiliate products? Well, affiliate marketing is all about selling products and earning a commission. But you don't need to worry about manufacturing, packaging, and delivery. You just need to share the links of the products. That's it. You can use the CLUELINKS affiliate program to get all the big brands like Amazon, Agoda, Flipkart, and many others. So join it for free and start to make passive income through affiliate marketing as a student. Number 11. Publish your own stories and articles. As a student, you may read your textbooks and you may be always busy with your studies. But think beyond this. If you like any particular topic, like nature, traveling, arts and crafts, or anything else, then start writing articles by creating your own blog and earn passive income. You can even start your blog for free in the beginning. So as a student, to do something different and creative, which will help you to create a lot of passive income and expand your work later. Number 12. Learn to earn money on YouTube. YouTube has become really very popular nowadays, and students are pretty much aware of this platform. But now, instead of just watching videos on YouTube, think about creating videos to make passive income. You can choose any topic like education, comedy, teaching dance, or drawing. You could even teach languages like speaking English. There are endless topics that you can choose to create YouTube videos, and you can simply start to earn passive income by monetizing your videos. Number 13. Share student life tips and inspire other students. As you are a student, you can understand well about student life. So you can share some student life tips and inspire other students. By creating your own YouTube channel, you can share your real-life experiences as a student. Also, share practical solutions for some specific problems which students face, like exam stress, how to study well, etc. Then, monetize your YouTube videos and earn money. Number 14. Guide about project work. When you are a smart kid at school, you can get more project works in school and college. So, as a student, you can guide other students and share different ideas about the project works. Especially science projects require more innovation and ideas. So, share new ideas and guide students. This will help many students to score more and be more innovative, and in turn, you can earn some money by helping your fellows. Number 15. Make money by completing small tasks. This is not a fully passive idea, but just by spending a few minutes or hours, you can earn money. There are many freelance websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, etc., which are paying a decent amount of money for small tasks. So if you can sign up for such websites and complete tasks like language translation, video scribe, content writing, creating graphics, and much more, then you can get paid for your work. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which money-making idea did you like the most? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.